Did you leave it in the truck?
Yep.
Of course you did.
All you get is me picking it up, dog. That's it. Dude, I fucking goddamn. Look at.
Dang, they wrapped the shit out of it.
Same thing. I finished it. See? Episode 28.
Yes.
You. But it's gonna be a productive one.
Max's truck's still not done.
Whoa.
Haven't started on that truck.
Whoa.
His wheel tubs aren't done.
Shut the fuck up.
But guess what we just picked up?
Guess what I just picked up? There's no we in this.
Yes.
Guess what I just picked up?
We picked it up.
I picked up his cage from
where?
Powder Coat.
Yes.
Where I powder coated it personally.
If you were left to do it, man, it'd never be done.
Whoa, dude, I did it myself.
So are we going to the front, or are you going to pull the truck around back?
You gotta pull the truck around back, but we gotta tell them what we're gonna do.
We're going to install it.
We're gonna install
The cage.
The cage.
We're going to install the duckbill.
We're gonna install the cage
And the duckbill.
your seats and the duckbill so fast that people aren't even gonna realize that we did it.
Exactly.
Okay, we're not even gonna take up 1 gig of space on my hard drive.
It's already done.
Right? Then we're gonna tear this bitch apart. Same episode.
Same episode.
So the only fucking reason that we're even gonna do his cage, also, we're supposed to be working on my truck this episode. The only reason we're gonna do his goddamn cage is because he's gotta go to some stupid ass fucking car show with his fucking lady, okay? And it's so important that he has his goddamn cage in. But I moved my fucking truck just so we could work on my other truck. And I told him we ain't moving my goddamn truck again, so we're doing the cage in the fucking parking lot. And he's gonna sweat his ass off. And I'm gonna fucking laugh. Look at that.
Part of me just wanted to fly around the corner and just fuck it all up.
That's what I've been doing this whole time it's been in there. It's been in the bed of my truck for a month now.
Oh man.
Hey, where are we doing this install
Oh,
at?
you gotta pull your fucking truck out.
I'm not moving my truck.
Are you really not?
I'm really
dude,
not
I didn't even bring my flap hat to protect my neck.
Too bad, dude.
Or sunscreen. Max is such a good friend that he's not even willing to pull his truck out so that we could install the cage and the duckbill in the shop. So I'm going to get sunburned, probably have cancer by the end of this episode. So here we go. Got it.
I was gonna come out here and help. Oh, it's hot out here now. Oh boy. Ooh.
Well, Wes decided to show up though. Helpful hand.
Yeah, it's wheeling. I just got some new plugs. I figured that's why I was having trouble shifting in third gear.
Dude,
you look good though, dude. This is what you look like when you have a job. I'm like you fucking government cheese bitch. Kidding. Sorry, dude. Oh. Being a real mechanical has to stretch. Cage is in, huh?
Cage is in.
What?
All thanks to you.
Thanks to me.
And
you hear that? I did all of it, all the work.
All of it.
I even powder coated it. Now we're gonna put your stupid ass duckbill on.
Yep.
Take that bitch off. Let's drill some holes. How do you feel?
Good.
You ready to pull my truck apart?
I'm ready to pull your truck apart.
Right now?
But I gotta go home. Fuck, I forgot, dude. I have shit to do.
Damn, dude, you gotta go snuggle up with your lady?
Oh, God. All right, Max, what are we doing? Hold on, let it focus. What are we doing right now?
Taking it apart, dog.
Why?
Because I'm gonna rebuild it. We can rebuild it better!
Don't you think you should finish your other truck first?
Why do you do that, dude? Right now? Maybe you should finish your other car first and start on that one first.
Look at that footwork. All that footwork. "36 hours later.
Yeah!
Floor's clean.
We getting way too much shit done.
Floor's clean.
Hey, where'd the other bolt go? Did you move it?
No, it fell, remember?
Oh, yeah. Where'd you pull it to?
I don't know what I did with it. All right, we gotta come back. We gotta come back. We gotta find this bolt first. All right, so we're back. We're back. We found it. Well, I found it.
I found it.
So
I did it.
now we gotta move the truck again. to be able to pull the other doors off because we put the doors that we took off
in a way.
Yeah.
I feel like none of y'all took us seriously when we said we were gonna tear this thing apart. But look at it.
Torn apart.
We did it.
Look how clean the floor is.
We're fucked.
We're fucked?
We're fucked. At least this one was hooked up.
It was hooked up?
I think I only hooked the front ones up.
Probably, because you probably only wanted to roll the front windows down.
Yeah. And just like that, I got 2 trucks that don't fucking work.
And a Scout.
Oh yeah, that one too.
And his Roadster's leaking gas.
Oh, dude, nobody needed to know about that, dude.
We tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
So help us, car gods. So it's tore down. Doors off. Radiator support.
Body coming off.
Yep. Next stop, it needs shock mounts welded on the back before the body can come off, and it needs the bed brackets made so that the way the bed aligns with the cab perfectly before the body can come off.
So I'll check in in a few weeks when that's all done.
Whoa, that'll be done next episode.
No way.
Yeah, the whole truck will be done next episode. So that has happened, then we can roll it next door, get the body off it, and we can send the frame out to sandblast. And not gonna get powder coated, it's gonna get painted.
Painted.
Yep.
Paint.
I don't know if anybody knows this about this year Silverado, but they dipped the whole fucking frame in grease, like nasty grease, so it's covered inside and out. So they're really hard to powder coat because every time they bake them, the grease liquefies, comes out all the little welds in the holes. Then they gotta re-blast it. So basically they have to fucking bake it like 3 times, blast it 3 times, then they can powder coat it. And that sounds expensive, and I'm already filing bankruptcy for the 5th time. So we really can't be doing that, you know? Unless Josh wants to pay for it.
Nope.
What? Why, dude?
Because these guys aren't buying enough fucking...
Yeah, you guys gotta buy some more goddamn Cars and CussWords t-shirts.
That too.
And diffusers.
Hey, guess
But
what?
buy them from me. I'll sell them to you 10% off. I'll cut them on the same machine, same files. I'm just gonna steal the files off his computer. 10% off. Finance this build. Thanks, guys.
Hey.
Stuff's getting done this episode. So expect next episode for us to just be fucking around getting lunch and drinking alcohol.
Ooh.
Next episode.
Next episode. We're gonna party.
Yep.
We did a good job today.
You can tell when we got work done because Josh looks like he might be dead.
Yeah, you know, I'm not used to this. I usually let Max do everything.
And I don't do anything.
Yeah.
So, we did it.
We're ending the vlog this way. What did we get done? So much we can't even recap it.
We got your car done and we just fucked another one of my cars up.
So I'm feeling pretty good.
Pretty good about it?
Feeling pretty good. Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Fuck him, man. Alright, well, I guess we'll see you next week.
We'll
Sorry we missed a couple episodes.
Next week,